Hello there, my name is Nick Steffen. I am the Engineering Technician Instructor at the Delaware Area Cruz Center. This video is going to give you an overview of this program, some highlights of what to expect as a student and as a parent, and what are some opportunities after going through this program for future education and work. A little bit about me. I'm originally from the state of Kansas. My wife is the Ohio native that brought me here, and I love it here. I'm excited about living here and teaching students here. And one of the things that I'm passionate about is not just giving students skills, but giving them troubleshooting skills, opportunity to problem solve, and experiences using industry-related tools to problem solve, keep our economy running. Because as you know, manufacturing is kind of a foundation for our economy and our society, and engineering technicians are the ones that keep those systems running. This slide here really gives a great picture of 4 different areas of our lab. We're a very holistic lab. We don't just teach one set of skills. We teach a wide range of skills, and that allows students to go and do a lot of different things. One of my favorite parts of being a teacher here is in this top right. We have a student here that was an intern his second semester of his senior year at Worthington Industries. He worked with engineering technicians 4 days a week during my lab time, got paid $15 an hour to do this, got experience, and now is about ready to graduate from Columbus State University and is going to do great things in the engineering technician world. And then we've got students at the top left here who are working on FANUC CNC simulators, that will then allow them to put their code on our FANUC CNC machines. So giving them certifications on tools that industry companies and engineers are actually using. The bottom left, we've got students on our various PLC trainers, PLCs being the programmable logic controllers that are the brains of all automation systems. And then the bottom right here, we've got students who are welding, using all the basic shop tools that you need to know in order to maintain and troubleshoot systems. So we're a very holistic lab, and we give students a wide variety of skills to do a lot of different things in the engineering technician world. Our schedule is the same as the other labs in the Career Center. The juniors are in the morning, and the seniors are in the afternoon. Here's just some more pictures of our students milling out parts in the top left here on our FANUC CNC mill. This is one of these tools that our students can get certified in. FANUC controllers are one of the most widely used CNC controllers in the entire world, and we get to certify students on setting up and operating those. On the right here, we have students working on a product for a customer. So students are starting businesses, working with real people, and manufacturing products for them in our lab. The bottom left here is a picture of me teaching students how to troubleshoot and wire PLC systems. And you see we have a lot of fun. I enjoy what I do. Our students really enjoy being here. The junior year, what can you expect? So coming in to your first year at the Career Center as an engineering technician student, you'll be taking the Principles of Engineering course first, and then the Mechanisms and Drives course second semester. These are foundational courses for being able to understand the basics of all tools. How do things go together? How are systems built? Understand the foundations of electricity, AC and DC. Everything we do, 90% of what we do runs on electricity. And then how to start troubleshooting mechanical systems, how to fix and maintain these systems. We'll get into the basics of designing and 3D modeling and how does that work as an engineering technician, and what do you need to know about reading engineering drawings, and how does that provide you a lot of opportunities in the future. And then we'll start on our Parker pneumatic system. Parker Hydraulics and Pneumatics is one of the world's largest hydraulics and pneumatics companies. Anywhere you go, you're going to see Parker Hydraulics on some manufacturing system, and we have those systems in our lab for students to use. More pictures of our students just in the lab working. I truly believe that the best way to learn is to get your hands on things, try it out, see if you can make it or fix it. And our students have a lot of great opportunities with great tools to use in our lab. The senior year, what can you expect this year? We're going to be taking the course Computer Integrated Manufacturing first, and then Manufacturing Operations second. These courses are more in depth in the junior year, and they're really tied to certifications. So you see down here, we've got the Parker Hydraulic certification, we've got the FANUC CNC Setup and Operations certification, and the Allen Bradley PLC certification. The PLC being programmable logic controllers that program and operate all modern manufacturing systems. These are all connected to the industry, to these companies, and anywhere you go and work with the engineering world or the technician world, you're going to see these companies. And so our students get a great opportunity to work on those machines. And during the senior year, we also have senior projects. So students get to pick a project that they're passionate about, something they're interested in, and then they get to design and present a project to industry professionals. I've had students who have presented these, and they've got full internships because of these presentations. So they are very valuable. We give students a lot of opportunities to interview with professionals in the industry, so they'll leave very prepared, not just on skills, but on not on machine skills, but on soft skills and working and communicating with people. More pictures of our students. We have students making all kinds of products in our labs through welding and metal work, or we have some woodwork here and a product where we're designing for a customer, getting a lot of different skills within our lab all at the same time. This is just a list of the industry tools that we have in our lab. And so we have hydraulics, pneumatics, the mill and the lathe, the welding system, mechanisms and drives, trainer, and then the PLC systems. And as we move forward, we'll be growing these and getting more and more as the industry requires us to. These are pictures of my students that I'm just so proud of. And they are, in the top left, we have a student who just came to our lab, was so hands-on in our lab, had so many ideas, just worked his tail off in the lab. And as soon as he got done with high school, he didn't want to go to college or any further education right away. He got a job at Luvata as a technician working with their engineers there, and he's still working there. And so our lab gave him great skills to get started in that job right out of high school and stay in this area. Down here I have a student, Alan, at his internship, and it's just a great story of Alan because this internship was 30 miles away and he didn't have a car, but he figured out a way to get there. He worked his tail off, and he got so many great experiences working for this company that dealt with logistics and quality control. And he is just one of those students that he made it happen. You know, he came in, he learned what he needed to, he got connections, and now he's doing great things. We'll talk about him a little bit in a second. And there are some of the universities and schools that our students have gone to. This is a very new program. And so these are just after the first 3 years of students that have gone through our program and where they have gone. And so we're excited about to see where other students go in the future. Now back to Alan Cruz. Oh my goodness. Alan Cruz right now has a full-time internship / job at Honda. He's in the second year of his work study at Columbus State. And one of the things that got him this internship at Honda was his resume. And when they hired him, they said they were so impressed with the experiences he already had. After our program and then 1 year at Columbus State, he has experience, he has skills, and now he has a job. And he's going to leave college probably with no debt and an opportunity to do really great things with his future.